case you didn't notice, this YouTube channel is making bags out of viral shorts like this, and this. Simply by this one trick not everyone knows, but I am here to share it with you guys on how to create viral shorts, and all you need is a few free AI tools, so after this video you would also get that bag like this dude. One thing about this trick is you could do this with your phone or computer, it's your choice. I personally can do all this with my phone since it's so easy to make. Alright, to create a video like this, you could either choose your own script or take a video from him to have an inspiration, whichever that works for you. Quite frankly, this tool does all the job. You only need to pick out your character and let it generate the video for you. All you gotta do is go into the home screen and pick out which style of the video you want to create, and don't forget to get the picture for your character ready. Then let it generate and voila! The results should come out looking like this. For more advanced, which are computer users, you could check out this tool, domo.ai. This also works as for why it was made for, is to transform images into videos as how you prompted. So you move to Discord because that's where it runs. You get your videos and prompt it to get your desired character as an output. This way I think is faster compared to doing it on a phone. However, you have to make sure that your prompt is precise and detailed to get the perfect output. So you select a style and choose the reference of your generation, and then choose the duration of your clip and hit start. Then this is the result that came back as it perfectly generates. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to double check your videos as you upload. You could get effective caption in ChatGPT as well as hashtag to reach out to more audience. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I would love to discuss more about this, and that is all for today. See you in the next video.